Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the monthly analysis for the first month of 2014. You're watching the monthly chart as we speak. This is the particular one. What we saw last month was a very uncertain market in terms of if the price was going to go above 1242, or because of the retracement we're going to end up going back to who knows, 300 or even 200. However, the situation last month was kind of like a mixed emotions in terms of buyers and sellers. Previous month, November, was a very bullish month with buyers in full control of the price, and well, this is the results of that particular trend. Now what we see at this point is maybe this particular month will show us again a penetration towards the body and towards maybe the top tail. It might not happen. What I see at this point is potentially a P formation for the next month or so, where this bullish pattern can bring new highs to the extended point that the currency might reach once again its historical highs, 1242, and it might go beyond that. Why? Because the signs we see on the weekly chart and the 3-day chart is still keeping us with the momentum and the positive growth and the positive uptrend. We'll see if the buyers can manage to will manage to control the whole situation, but as far as I'm concerned, all these signs are telling us that we're still bullish and we still got room to go a little bit more upwards. This is what's happening at the moment. With the weekly chart, as you can see, this is a higher low with an entry on 837. Right now is already active and is pushing the price towards these particular areas, which are located in between 1068 and why not maybe go a little bit more forward. But as far as I'm concerned right now, this is a higher low that is pushing the price up and buyers are in full control of the situation. And last but not least, this is 3-day chart, a little bit overextended with candles, but it is not overextended with the movement. So we might see this particular candlestick could be pushed by the buyers to the point where it can end up being a long range candlestick, and will try to reach 1068. That will be the next target for this candlestick, and why not for the weekly chart as well. Keep an eye on it. It's very important, because as far as I'm concerned, this particular messages can give us opportunities intraday between the daily chart and the 240-minute chart, and why not 60-minute chart can be a very useful time frame for all of us, as long as we don't have any erratic stages at some point. Obviously consolidations happens, but that's just part of the job. And this is the daily chart, the most significant chart at the moment, because now we do an intraday. So what's happening at this point is, yes, this is an overextended trend, maybe with candlesticks but not with movement. But my concern at this point is this particular movement, the price needs to reach 990 towards this minor resistance, which is located in 1068. It is going well. It's already penetrating the bottom tails at the moment. Now it's going for the bodies, and after that, well, this will be the limit. 990 could be a point of reaction where buyers and sellers start fighting to take control of the price. We'll see, but we can definitely keep the momentum going, and we see a little bit of more momentum coming towards the market now that the new year starts. And last but not least, we want to thank all of you for participating on our live signal with our streaming service. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a wonderful 2014. Loads of success with Bitcoin. See you around. Goodbye.